Picture this. You're in the office kitchen, just trying to get some coffee, when suddenly... Right, Noor, about that quarterly report. We've got a proper situation brewing here, yeah? The figures from last month's analysis don't match up with what procurement's been telling us, and I reckon there's been a right mess-up somewhere along the line, hasn't there?
Ah, yes, figures.
See, the thing is, management's breathing down our necks for this presentation tomorrow morning. And if we don't sort this shambles out pronto, we're all going to be in a right pickle, aren't we? The deadlines are mental.
Ya ilahi, tomorrow morning?
That's why I need you to double-check the spreadsheet calculations from the Birmingham office. Their methodology's been all over the shop lately, and frankly, I wouldn't trust their numbers as far as I could throw them.
Spreadsheet, Birmingham. قلبي بيخفق.
Can you manage that for us? Because honestly, if these numbers are wonky and we present rubbish to the board, heads are going to roll, and I don't fancy being first in the firing line, do you?
Board, firing. Wallahi I.
Brilliant. Knew I could count on you. Get those figures sorted by close of business today, yeah? Cheers, love.
Wait, close business.
And that, my friends, is exactly when you need today's phrase the most. Let's break down what just happened. James threw a lot at you all at once.
كلام كتير, too fast.
Exactly. He used rapid speech, connected his words together, and threw in British slang.
Slang? What slang?
Words like wonky, meaning broken, rubbish, meaning bad, close of business, meaning end of the workday.
Ya ilahi, no wonder.
Plus, his Birmingham accent made everything sound different from what you've studied.
Birmingham accent, صعب جدا.
British accents can be tricky even for native speakers from other regions.
But I خجلانة كتير.
And that embarrassment? That's what made everything worse.
خجل makes worse?
When we're embarrassed, our brains freeze up. We stop thinking clearly.
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. That's exactly what you should have said to James. That phrase is like a magic spell. It solves everything politely.
سحر? Magic? How?
Let's break it down. Could you repeat that, please? Each word matters.
Could you repeat that, please?
Good. Now, could, not can. It's softer, more polite in British English.
Ah, could softer?
Exactly. And watch my mouth. Could has that rounded ooh sound.
Could you repeat that, please?
Beautiful. Now, your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact.
Body language?
Yes, don't look down or apologetic. You're asking a reasonable question.
Not sorry feeling?
Never. This phrase is confident, not apologetic. Try it with your shoulders back.
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. Now compare that to saying what or huh?
What? Bad.
What sounds rude or aggressive. Your phrase sounds professional and polite.
Could you repeat that, please?
Excellent. Now let's practice in a real situation. Imagine you're at Pret-a-Manger.
Pret. Ah, yes, sandwich shop.
I'll be the cashier. I'll speak fast like they do. Ready? Welcome to Pret. We've got our meal deal today. Any sandwich, crisps, and a drink for $4.99. Plus, our new seasonal wraps are back, and the soup of the day is butternut squash.
Ya ilahi, fast.
Use your phrase.
Could you repeat that, please?
Of course, we have a meal deal. Sandwich, crisps, drink. £4.99.
Ah, better. Shukran.
Great. Let's try again with different options. Right, so today we've got the Chicken and Bacon Club, the Veggie Deluxe with hummus, and our special Christmas turkey and cranberry baguette.
Christmas. Turkey. ماذا?
What do you say?
Could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. You're getting more confident each time.
Yes, I feel stronger.
Brilliant. Now let's try a trickier situation. You're at the doctor's surgery in Birmingham and the GP is explaining your medication.
Doctor. Ya Allah, scary.
Right then, love. You'll want to take 2 of these tablets twice daily with food. Avoid alcohol completely, and if you experience any dizziness or nausea, stop immediately and ring the surgery.
Ooh, tablets? What?
What do you say to the doctor?
Could you repeat that, please?
Of course, take 2 tablets twice a day with your meals. No drinking alcohol. Call us if you feel sick or dizzy.
شكراً. Much slower.
Excellent. Let's practice once more. This time the doctor is explaining test results.
Test results. خلاص.
Your blood work shows slightly elevated cholesterol levels, so I'm recommending you reduce saturated fats, increase omega-3 intake, and we'll recheck in 3 months' time.
Blood. cholesterol. ماذا يعني؟
Remember, this is important health information. What do you ask?
Could you repeat that, please?
Absolutely. Your blood test shows high cholesterol. Eat less fatty food, more fish. Come back in 3 months.
الحمد لله. فهمت now.
Perfect. Now let's go back to the office. James has urgent presentation changes for tomorrow's client meeting.
نعم. Office again.
Right, so James is speaking quickly about last-minute changes. Listen, we've got to restructure slide 7, incorporate the Manchester data, realign the quarterly projections, and emphasize the sustainability metrics for the Thornfield account.
Wish. Slide. What?
This is work pressure. You need that information. What do you say?
Could you repeat that, please?
Brilliant. Now I'll slow down. We need to change slide 7. Add Manchester numbers. Update quarterly forecasts.
شكراً. Slide 7. فهمت.
But wait, there's more complex instructions. The sustainability framework needs realigning with Corporate Directive 17B. Plus, we're incorporating the new ESG compliance standards as per Thursday's board resolution.
يا إلهي. ESG. What means?
This is crucial work information. Don't be shy.
Could you repeat that, please?
Of course, we need to update our environmental and social policies. New rules from the board meeting.
الحمد لله. Much better.
One final challenge. The client presentation's been moved to 8:30 tomorrow morning, requiring overnight revisions to the appendicular documentation and stakeholder matrices.
Wait. 8:30? Overnight? Could you repeat that, please?
Excellent confidence. Meeting starts at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. We need to work tonight to finish the documents. Perfect. You've mastered asking for clarification with confidence. That's a huge workplace skill.
شكراً كتير سام. I feel strong.
Absolutely. You went from hesitant to assertive. Your colleagues will respect that confidence.
الحمد لله. Not scared anymore.
Speaking of confidence, tomorrow we're heading somewhere that really tests your negotiation skills.
أين? Where going?
Camden Market. Street vendors, haggling, fast-talking sellers. You'll need to ask prices and negotiate deals.
يا إلهي. Prices. Negotiate.
Don't worry. With your new confidence, you'll handle those market vendors like a pro.